Hello, my name is Troiano with Emerson Swan. Today we are at HTP's training facility, and we're here to talk about our Phoenix gas-fired water heater, a stainless steel, high-efficiency, 96% thermal efficient water heater. We offer this anywhere from a 55-gallon to 119-gallon on the storage side. We also offer it in 100,000 all the way up to 199,000 on the BTU side. We mentioned 96% thermal efficiency, which this is going to help you increase your savings on your domestic side. We talk about atmospheric vent water heaters being anywhere between 77 to 80%. When we talk about trying to utilize savings, we can do that with a high efficiency water heater. If we're going from 80% to 96%, obviously there's a 16% savings in that end. Also is 5-to-1 turn down. So this is fully modulating from 5-to-1. Stainless steel, some of the other features that offers being stainless is it's lightweight. A 119-gallon tank is actually only about 400 pounds dry, which when you compare that to a carbon steel glass line tank, there's a huge reduction in weight, which makes this easier for the contractor to get this in and out of the application that they have. Stainless steel also offers a lot more corrosion resistance. We have a upfire heat exchanger. It's a 90-10 Cooper nickel heat exchanger, and then up on top of the heat exchanger where it's going to see the most extreme temperatures, we actually have 800H stainless steel, and it actually fires in through the bottom, spirals up into the tank, releasing its energy into that water. As it spirals back down to be vented out, it actually is pulling all of that energy out of our heat exchanger. So we're actually taking as much possible energy as we can. Extremely efficient and extremely fast. Our 199, 119 is going to produce about 235 gallons an hour. So with the storage side of that, that'll give you 335 gallons first hour rating. From a venting standpoint, on our larger 2 units, 3-inch. On our smaller 2 units, we can actually use 2-inch, depending on our length runs. So we have a lot of flexibility within our venting. There's a ton of atmospheric vent water heaters out in the market. How do we replace those with a high efficiency gas water heater and make it easy and some time savings for the contractor? So we came up with what we call our Phoenix multi-fit unit. And we made this basically in 2 sizes, the most common, 130,000 BTUs and 199,000 BTUs. And we made it in the 80 and the 100 gallon size. So no 119, we just made it in 100. And the reason we did that was we could actually lower the height of this. So we can actually fit where that atmospheric vent water heater goes, and we don't have any height issues. We put in top connections, same spread as atmospheric vent, 19.5 inches. So I don't have to mess with my water piping. I'm just gonna cut and drop and reconnect. Gas train on our Phoenix is down on the bottom, whether it's a multi-fit or our standard Phoenix. Our gas train is down on the bottom. Height, water connections, and gas train. So now the only thing we have to deal with is the venting. Regardless of whether it's a Phoenix or our Phoenix multi-fit, they both come with a LP kit in the box. And it's really just a field conversion on the gas valve, no orifices. It's really just an adjustment that you can do with a combustion analyzer. With that being said, my name is Troiano with Emerson Swan. If you'd like more information, you can visit our website at emersonswan.com or call our office and speak to our talented inside sales staff. Thanks and have a great day.